Do you ever wonder how you could possibly create your own lettering style? Are you struggling with comparing yourself to others? I'm so glad you're here. Join me in creating your own confident lettering style with this YouTube series called 26 Ways to Letter. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I'll be using the Winsor & Newton watercolor markers. These are amazing quality and they are so good for lettering. They are pretty expensive, so it is quite an investment. If you are going to get these, make sure you get the watercolor markers, not the brush markers. I know that sounds weird, but you can check out the video I did comparing those, and I will link that below. T is a pretty straightforward letter, but there are a lot of fun things that you can do with it. For the word at the end of this video, I chose to letter talent. And that is what my little pep talk today is about. We all have unique talents, but some are outwardly visible and some are not outwardly visible. The best part about lettering is that it's all about your own uniqueness since it's done by hand. You can learn the basics to help you get started, but from there, you get to put your own spin on it. Your lettering is an expression of yourself with all of your unique talents. My goal is to help you create confidence in your lettering so you can feel that for yourself. That's why I show you all of these different lettering styles. I don't want you to just learn my style. That would be boring. I want you to be able to create your own style. That's what my workbook, Fearless Lettering, is all about, which is the workbook you see me using here. It not only has the 26 Ways to Letter practice sheets, but it also guides you through my process of creating your own confident lettering style. I know we've all compared ourselves to someone else with visible talents that we wish we had. There are sometimes I look at someone who seems to be such an expert at that talent they have. I think, man, I wish I was really talented at that. That must be so nice. When we're looking at someone and their talents, we're not looking at our own talents. It's almost like we're blind to our own talents. And we may even forget that we have our own unique skills. What's even crazier is that the very person we are admiring and comparing ourselves to might be thinking the same things about us. And this is why comparisons really are pointless. There will always be someone better than you, and there will always be someone worse than you. We can't let those kind of comparisons be our focus. Instead, let's look at our talents for exactly what they are. Something that we're good at, or maybe something that we really enjoy spending our time on. That doesn't have to be a visible talent that others can easily see. It takes skill to be a kind person or to find happy moments in the heaviness of life. So if you've been feeling like your lettering isn't as good as someone else lately, I encourage you to look for the things you are good at and see if you can apply that to your lettering. Your lettering doesn't need to look like anyone else in order to be good. I hope you feel that when you watch my videos. If you have any thoughts on this, I would love to hear them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I will see you next time.